How to clear cache in Amazon Prime Video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you clear cache in Amazon Prime Video. In order to clear cache in Amazon Prime Video, you simply have to follow these steps. Open up your Amazon Prime Video application first of all. Click open the profile initials at the bottom right of the screen and click the gear icon at the top. Next thing what you want to do is here you just want to go ahead and look for these options where you could see clear video search history. You could do that as well, and as you could see there's no such direct way you could clear your cache, so you have to move on to the step number 2. That means open up settings onto your device, locate apps from the list, and then you want to go to see all apps, and after which you just want to go to Amazon Prime Video from the list. When you locate Prime Video, you simply want to click on storage and cache. So click on clear cache, and that's how you could clear cache in Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.